everybody, welcome back to Coop to Grill. We're gonna do something really cool today. It's getting to be fall, so you want those hearty meals, right? And we're gonna do one inside, not on the smoker, although I'm sure you could. We're doing one in the crock pot today. We're doing honey garlic chicken over rice. Check this out. We're going to start out with 8 chicken thighs. I think this is only 6, but we'd like to use 8. I just couldn't find them. We're also going to add 1 cup of soy sauce. We're going to add 1 cup of ketchup. Takes half a cup of honey. And we're going to add, if you use fresh garlic, you can use about 6 cloves. We're going to use about 6 teaspoons or about 3 tablespoons of this in there. And then the seasoning, we're going to use our Montreal chicken seasoning, and we're going to use 2 teaspoons of this. 1 cup of soy sauce. If you don't have yourself one of these is from my wife. It's a liquid measuring thing. And yeah, for liquids, a regular measuring cup, but for the other stuff like this, ketchup and honey, that doesn't like to come out of a measuring cup so easily. These things are freaking cool, man.
It's an all-purpose measurer for a pampered chef. If you're looking for one, just like ours.
1 cup.
Look at that. I love it.
Okay. Half a cup of honey.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and I got a little spatula here. Look at the scrape off all the stuff to make sure we get all that goodness in there. Yeah, Montreal chicken seasoning. This stuff is really good. We do this on a lot of our chicken. And this is going to have a good Asian zing to it. There you go. 1 of them, 2 of them. And then we're going to go with some garlic. What are we thinking? 1, 2, 3. Measure this with your heart. That's not even, I'm just more scooping it out than measuring it. That's probably
5 is probably good because the Montreal chicken seasoning has garlic as well.
Oh.
And we love garlic, so we're good either way.
Yeah, that's going to be awesome. And that is everything that we need to have in our sauce. Except a whisk. We're going to whisk that up. Oh, yeah. All right, we've got some mushrooms and some carrots that we chopped up. You don't need to add these if you don't want to, but we think they're going to be an excellent addition into this chicken. Look at that. So we've got our 6 chicken thighs. You should use 8 if you can. We're going to add our mushrooms and carrots in. Yeah. All right.
Mm-hmm.
And then give this one last good stir. And over the top. Oh, that smells delicious.
Mm-hmm. It really does.
It really does. And just make sure everything's good and coated. We're going to put that on low for 6 hours. We're going to come back and check this out. All right. It's been cooking for 5 hours. Look at this. Look at that. Look how tender that is.
Ooh, perfect.
Yeah. Just grab a little bit of the sauce. I'm going to do that.
Mm-hmm.
Over my rice.
Mm.
And I'm going to do a chicken thigh. And I'm going to do a little bit of these veggies here. Oh, yeah. All right, we're going to let this cool off for just a minute. Look at how tender that is. Oh, my goodness. This smells great, guys. Not at all, baby. That was really good. Sorry, it's still really hot, but you know what? It was so worth it. Man, you guys got to try this. Honey garlic chicken in the slow cooker. Let it go for 6 hours. This is a winner right here. All right. Thanks for cooking with us today here at Coop to Grill. Do not forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment. It helps grow our channel.
You can take the little top thing off.
I know, but this is way more fun.
You allergic to ketchup? I knew it. Get that under control.
I love you very much. Hot honey.
Hot honey, yeah, but not in the way you think. Oh boy. If you have excess honey you want to use up, do this. Cook with it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Cooking honey. It's like when I cook in whiskey. That's what? It's not the same?
No.
It's totally the same.
Are you adding the
I'm
rest?
I'm just gonna put a little bit more in there like that, because that would have topped that off. And, you know, that's fine.
Oh my goodness.
If you want to see more of this kind of stuff with us, there's going to be more of these chicken videos, crockpot stuff. We're going to be doing them. They're probably going to be up here. Go check it out.